I'm going to show you how to add an item into this box. So we need list box, text box, and a command button. So we will change the properties of each controls. The button, we will change the caption of it. The name of it, the name of the text, and the name of the list box. So we will now encode. Type the name of the list box, items dot add, and then type the name of the text item, the value of the text item will be add into list box. So now let's try if the program is running. So as you can see, the text that we input in the text box is added into list box. We will add another. See, this is how to add an item into list box.